Hello everyone, this is another part of project diabetes prediction using machine learning. We have created the Python file in the Flask application. Here we imported the NumPy, Pandas and Pickle library and load the dataset and we have just written a code. We have renamed the diabetes pedigree function as DPA and replace the values with the nan and nan values with by mean, median and depending upon the distribution. Next we split the model into training and testing. Split, that is 20:80 ratio, and then we fit the model using random forest classifier. And here in the last we created a pickle file for the classifier. Thank you.